In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how do you request leave and also go over a few other features within that component. The first thing we need to be aware of is where we need to do this function. You need to make sure you're under the employee suite in order to submit or request leave. This is very important. One distinction though, if you're an administrator, remember you cannot use the employee suite to actually approve leave. You must go under the administrative suite. So it's a little bit different than what we're used to. So just kind of remember that. So to submit leave, you go under employee suite, but to approve leave, you go under the administrative suite. So let's go ahead and click on Employee Information Center, and that'll activate the menu bar for us. So I clicked Employee Information Center, and we're going to click on View Request Leave. This is very familiar. This is going to look very similar to what we're used to. Let's look at the features that are at the top. You can view the history of your leave, which will pull up all of the leave that you've had since you've been employed here at the institution. Just hit cancel to get out of that. You can edit pending leave, which I'm going to actually show you. So let's say that you have some leave that's pending and you want to make a change to that. All you have to do is click on the date wherever you see a line like this, something underlined in the employee suite. That means you can actually activate it, and it means you can dig into it and you can see it's going to unfold. So you can change the date, not the date, excuse me, you can change the number of hours maybe that you wanted to request leave, or you can actually delete it altogether, which I'm going to go ahead and delete this altogether. Just hit OK to delete, and it's gone. Okay. All right, and let me go ahead and cancel that. Next, I want to show you how to actually request leave. Remember, all employees at LawsonState must submit leave for sick leave, personal leave, or annual leave. This is extremely important. And you need to do that prior to taking the leave. So let's go ahead and go through those steps. The first thing you do is over here you want to click on Add Record. And it looks very familiar to what we're used to. It's not very different. Select the type of leave up here that you want to submit. So I'm going to say annual leave. Okay, you want to take a vacation day. And just like in the old system, you want to select the date of the leave that you would like to take, the start date, and any end date. So let's say you're taking 2 days of vacation, right? And the number of hours that you work per day. Now for faculty, it's 7 hours that you work per day, and that does not include your lunch. So it's 7 hours, not including lunch. The difference is that if you're a staff or your faculty member, it does include lunch, so it's 8 hours that you actually have to report. So that's the difference there. So you put in not only the date span, but you check off what days of the week this is. So Monday, Tuesday for these 2 days for me. Then select Next, and it'll actually break it down for you to review, and that is correct, right? Once everything is correct, you simply submit your request right here. Okay, and so then it's going to post, and that's all you have to do. It's that simple. So again, just remember, if you need more information about leave or you get stuck in any process under this new system, please contact CTEL at CTEL@LawsonState.edu, CTEL@LawsonState.edu, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you have about our new system here.